Mark here with Shooting Target 7. Here is a quick rundown of our NRL target system. This is the triple T post mount used with KYL targets. I added a third center mount for versatility. This is the single and double vertical mount. To use two, flip one horizontally like this. This is the NRL hook. You'll need one for each target. Attaching the hooks to the hangers is simple and only needs to be done once. I've used a standard 3/8 inch bolt and nut to attach the hook to the hanger because they're affordable and easy to replace if lost. Snug these up with wrenches so they don't loosen. To affix targets to hooks, simply rotate them 90 degrees. This locks the targets securely in place without the need for any tools. This makes switching out your stages simple and fast. The KYL targets do not require NRL hooks and are designed to be mounted directly to the triple mounts as demonstrated. Don't worry, they won't come off in use. You can also add a center target to mix things up and make the setup more challenging if you like. These outside targets will clear the T-post and are able to swing freely, allowing for a full range of motion. The mounts are easy to install, and I've tested them with T-posts from various stores. Occasionally, some T-posts may have unusual sizing and might need a bit of grinding on the nubs, but this is rare. Take one in the store with you when you buy your posts, just to be sure. That's all for this video. Take care and let freedom ring.